Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chopped salad bar. I've got the large cool and serve square tray here, the 2.5 quart cool and serve bowl, and this is a really great thing to have ready in your fridge for quick meals throughout the week or to bring to a gathering. So your lid fits right underneath. Your cool and serve comes with all of the parts that you see here. So for a chopped salad, I have some cooked chicken. I pulled this out of the freezer. I grill this in batches, so I just thawed and I chopped it up. We've got our cucumbers, gorgonzola cheese. You can do feta or skip it if you want. And then some ditalini pasta. I love to cook this in batches and freeze and pull out as I need. Cooked bacon, tomatoes, and avocado. I'm going to show you today how I got these ingredients ready, but take a look at why the cool and serve products are so amazing. When I take these out, you're going to see what goes on underneath. And this is true with all of our cool and serve products. These are blue ice packs. They stay in the freezer and they will stay cold for 5 to 6 hours. So if you flip it on this side, you can use it for deviled eggs. And imagine, all the mayo that's in there, it'll keep it food safe. For this recipe though, I'm gonna flip it and we've got the dividers. You can use these for your veggie trays, fruit trays. You can even have, veggies on one side and 12 deviled eggs on the other if you want to. And if you take everything out, you can transport 16 frosted cupcakes without smashing them. So between both of these, your foods are going to be safe for your whole gathering. Now let's see how to put it all together. Pasta is generally included in Italian chopped salads, but it's good in all sorts of salads. So what I like to do is cook a lot of it at once, and then after it's cooked, I drain it and I bag it into freezer bags and leave it in the freezer. When I need pasta for a recipe, I can simply thaw a little bit and I didn't have to start that process from the start. Freezing your pasta is super easy. Thaw in the fridge overnight or just pour some hot kettle water over the top and it absolutely thaws and is like freshly cooked after about a minute. Give it a try. I love using the Rapid Prep mandolin to prep all of the things for a chopped salad. I've got some grape tomatoes in here. On the back dial, I have it on the slice setting on the number 7 thickness. So check this out. They work really, really well on that blade. So you'll see these are perfectly sliced. Excellent for salads. A little tip for you, put a piece of paper towel underneath, it'll grab any of the juice. We'll get some cucumbers ready. I like the little mini cucumbers. You can use an English cucumber if you like. If you're gonna use a regular cucumber, you might need to peel it. Sometimes that skin is just a little bit thick. I like to slice these in half just to make it easier. I have it on the French fry setting because I basically want these to be chopped. So check this out. Perfect for a salad. My favorite way to cut an avocado is with either a butter knife or our all-purpose spreader. Every kitchen needs about 3 of these. They're wonderful. Just poke it straight in, come all the way around. Your avocado should feel a little bit soft when you press in, and when you give it a twist, you've got it like this. Now to get the pit out, all you need to do is squeeze your avocado slightly and it pops right out. For this, I want it to be diced, and because this is not sharp, I'm not afraid to do it in my hand. And then we just scoop all the way around. Avocado is delicious in salads. It adds a creamy texture and all the vitamins, of course, that you like from the avocado. I have a whole head of romaine lettuce in the large cool and serve bowl. This is a 2.5 quart cool and serve. The salad choppers make it really easy to just chop everything up. It works well on all of your salad ingredients if you don't want to use the Rapid Prep. You can even do this in an individual bowl. It works on cooked meats like chicken if you've made fajitas. And chopped salads are easy to combine with all of your dressings. When you're ready to serve, it's great to just do it all in a mixing bowl, maybe like you've seen at certain restaurants. So start first with the greens that you want. And then we're gonna add the toppings. So your family members, if they don't like everything, they can add just what they want. You can add extras of the things that you love. And it's absolutely easy to customize the way you like. Put some avocado and tomato. Now you can use a homemade dressing, which is really easy to do. I'm taking a shortcut tonight because you know what? You can do that if you need to. So I've got some sweet Italian dressing here. Go ahead and just add a little bit to your bowl. I think salads taste best when they're dressed in a bowl. That way you can completely combine them, making sure that all of your ingredients have that beautiful flavor. Just go ahead and dump it all in there. I love recipes like this, and I hope you'll give it a try at your next family gathering. There we go. Our chopped salad. I hope you'll give it a try.